Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Betwinner. So if you've been wondering or are looking for a new betting platform, I'll be showing you how to use the Betwinner app. So please make sure to like and subscribe if you're going to find this video helpful, and if you are looking for betting tips, I also do betting tips and other football analysis. So let's dive right through. So I'll leave the description for the link in the I'll leave the link in the description to download this app. So when you download the app, this is what you are greeted with. I like how user-friendly it is. So the first thing you do is obviously register. Then when you register, you put in your number. So I'll do so real quick. Put in your first name, password, repeat password, then select your bonus. So I'll say accept bonus. Then on promo code, this is where you put in this promo code BWA, BWA, as your promo code. BWA. So use that as your promo code and you will get 300% on your first deposit. Once you register and you manage to log in, this is how it will now look like. So below here, you'll be able to see right here below, you'll be able to see popular, favorites, bet slip, history, and menu. So when you click on menu, you have live bet, sports, accumulator for the day. And one thing I like about this, when you go on accumulator for the day, you'll be able to see the three types of accumulators. There's one having 7 odds, one having 4 odds, the other having 5 odds. So these go through. At times they do not go through. So you can try your luck and place a bet. So you can see these are the games for today, having 5 odds. Then you can say add to bet slip. Then it says success accumulator for the day has been added to bet slip. Then I say open. And I can add more games if I want, or I can place a bet. So before you place a bet, you need to make sure you have funds. So how to deposit is come to menu. Then you can see here it shows deposit. Then you can click on deposit, and these are your options. You've got MTN money, mobile money, Visa or MasterCard, and these other wallets that you can check out. So if you are using Airtel Money, click on Airtel Money. So the minimum deposit is only 1 kwacha. So you can say, you can put in 10 kwacha. Then click on confirm. A message will be sent to your phone. So you put your number, then a message will be sent to your phone to accept, and the payment will reflect there. showing the amount of money that you need. So on the home page, this is how it looks. So if you do not want the white skinned theme, you can easily change it by coming to your menu. Then on top, you can see there's a message icon and settings. So you come on settings. Before we change the dark theme, so on settings, there are certain things you can change. So there's push notifications. If your phone enables LND, you can enable LND. You can change the sound of certain matches that you've notified. So with this, you don't need any other third applications. You can be notified of the matches you want to get notified, the scores, or maybe you want corners. All that will be dealt with. Then you can go back to the official site page. If you don't use the app, you can share the app with a QR code. So if you're seeing this on your PC, you can actually use your phone to scan this and you have it and you'll be able to download it. So the other thing here that I can point out is bet settings. So you can change if odds want to increase, you can still bet with that. You can have a baseline of odds. Then on profile, here on profile you'll see your main account balance, your unsettled bets amount, how to top up, how to withdraw, your transaction history, your profile, personal profile, your personal settings. You can change that. Then you can add a pin so no one can be able to access the betting app. So I can just say that, put a pin, but I won't do so. Then you'll be rest assured that no one will be able to see your transactions on what you do on the betting app. So once that is done, you can also check on others. You can see promotions, take part to win prizes. So remember, when you use the promo code BOA, you stand a chance to win different types of phones and different types of prizes. So make sure you use the promo code BOA. BOA, that's BWA. When you use the promo code BOA, you'll be given different promotions and even stand a chance to win phones. So make sure you use that before you register. Use a promo code. Then you can have your own market bet constructor. So when you come here, you can construct a bet constructor from right here. Here are the promotions. So even when it's your birthday, when your birthday arrives, you can actually get free bonuses just for it being your birthday. So you can claim your offer. See here it says offer special bonus to active customers, a free bet for your birthday. So make sure you use the promo code BOA to be able to actually enjoy these services. Then you got 24 hours customer support if anything goes wrong, information. So this is how it looks, the main part. So when we come here and come to change account right here, so you can see my main account is 0, my bonus account is 20. So remember, once you use my promo code and you deposit, you're going to be given a bonus depending on your first deposit. So the higher the money you put, the more the bonus account you have, bonus money account you have. Then let's say you want to make a betting slip. So you come to football, you have different leagues from different countries. So you just come on sport and come on football, then look for the country you want or the league you want. So make sure it's on sports. Then look for the Premium League, and this is what you find. So you can say Manchester United, you can see Brentford. This is how you find your leagues. If you want to go back, press that. You can close that, go to Germany, find Bundesliga. Then you can place a bet saying, let's try to make a quick slip and say win or draw. So this team to win, add to slip. Then we can say RB Leipzig, win or draw, add to slip. If you want goals, you can just click on that area, and you can see more markets here. You have sports teams to score, so many markets. There's first half markets. You can even see here predictions, or rather history, score lines for the previous matches. You can scroll up so you can see most of their recent predictions. You can see the stadium, the temperature. It's very vast. Then you can see right here, there's that bell there that you can click on if you want to set a notification for. So that's how you set a notification for a particular match. You have statistics. You can check the statistics, head to head. So you can see all these are the statistics. Then you can see that odds movement. You can see how the odds are really going down and others are going up. These are the odds. Then you have corners. You have first half corners. You have player stats that you can bet on. First to happen stats. So many things you can do with this app. This app is so powerful that it's actually my main betting platform that I use because of how vast it is and how comfortable it is to get all your right information that is needed. Then you can have favorites, so you can choose your teams, your favorite teams, or your favorite games of Premium League. If it's your favorite, this is where you find them. Right here. So these are some suggestions. So I'll say my favorite is Europa League. My favorite is the Premium League. So I have that. I have teams. I can search for games. and you can add them. And this is your bet slip. So if you do not want this bet slip, you can simply delete. Or if you don't want this entirely, you can simply just delete everything. So I can delete everything here. So I'll just delete that. So sometimes there are moments where a friend sends you a sleep code. So that sleep code can have a random number like 3482 that you can use. So to do that, you just come here that says load a sleep and put in the number. Obviously this is not the number, so I'm just guessing. Then once the sleep detects, it loads and you'll be able to use that. And if you want to create your own sleep, so you just come here and say I want to share this to some friends. So what I need to do is here with these 3 dotted lines, and then you click here, you can see there's download sleep, save sleep, or create a bet slip. So what you need to choose is to save this slip. So you can see there's this random number that has been generated, which is Y167K. So that's the code slip that you can send out to your friends. So you can just screenshot this and send it to your friends, and they'll be able to load it. So yeah, I've done so many videos about different betting platforms, and this is by far my recommended betting platform that I use and that you can use. Remember to use the promo code BWA. That's BWA. Then also you can check out my other videos to understand other betting markets. So those videos of other betting markets will simply help you to know what betting markets mean, what over 1.5 means, what 8 over 0.5 means, both teams to score, GG. I've explained that in the other videos, which I'll leave all those details in the link description. So if you have got any questions and want to find out more about Betwinner, please can leave a comment and I'll simply help you. If you want to join my betting group, the link will also be in the description. So if you find my videos helpful and want to learn more about different betting strategies, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any video that I upload. Otherwise, thank you and bet responsibly.